What's up guys, Zach Wild here. Welcome to another episode of Skate School. In today's episode, we're going to be teaching you how to nollie, backside, pop, shove it. So grab your boards and let's get started. To get started, make sure you can nollie very easy. Once you've got the nollie down, it's time to try the nollie, backside, shove it. This trick is great for beginners and is very easy to learn. At first, start by riding extremely slow in nollie position. Put your front foot in the inside corner pocket of your nose to help you spin the board around a lot easier. For foot placement, have your back foot covering your board right in front of your back bolts. Practice going extremely slow and shoving your board backside behind you without popping it. Use your front foot to jump up and push inward on your nose. This will automatically cause your board to swing around like a nollie backside shove it. It helps to jump backwards when you jump off of the nose to really land straight on your board and help your board go behind you. Once you get down the nollie shove it, it's time to try a nollie backside pop shove it. You're going to use the exact same motions as you do the nollie shove it as the nollie backside pop shove it. Once you get the trick dialed down, you can really pop your nose and get the board in the air for a true nollie backside pop shove it. When you go to pop the nollie backside pop shove it, make sure to put your back foot covering your bolts. The further back your back foot is, the easier it is to pop it in the air and control it. The farther in you put your back foot, the faster it spins. When you see the board coming around, land on the bolts, bend your knees, and ride away clean. Alright guys, now you've mastered the nollie backside pop shove it. It's time to take it to your local skate park or even the streets. But most of all, have fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Let us know what tricks you'd like to see next on Skate School. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to subscribe to Wild Files. Click one of these two links if you want to see another video.